A plank exercise is the best exercise to strengthen your core and abdomen. These exercises strengthen your hips, lower back, and abdomen and improve your body. It is used in yoga by professional boxers and sports like hockey, cricket, and football. The number of calories you would burn depends on how many minutes you perform a plank exercise daily. Here is what your body could benefit from plank exercising. Number 1 is improves body balance and posture. Apart from muscle growth and endurance, a plank can also help achieve better body balance, posture, as well as the reason the plank is considered a fundamental part of an exercise routine is because of this. With great balance, you are less susceptible to incurring injuries to single muscle groups during your workout. Number 2 is strengthens your core. The core of your body consists of the spine, shoulder bones, pelvis, and joints. With a strong core, you will be able to better perform certain exercises. The 4 most important muscle groups, transversus, abdominis, rectus, abdominis, and glutes, that constitute your core are strengthened with the help of the plank exercise. Number 3 is improves body flexibility. Practicing the plank pose daily can help to stretch your core muscle groups mentioned earlier. This has a lot of benefits, especially for those who engage in yoga. Number 4 is reduces belly fat. Since the plank pose mainly works your core abdominal muscles, it is a great exercise to get rid of stubborn belly fat. Holding a plank for a few minutes each day can alone help to tramp down belly fat and provide an appealing shape to your body. Number 5 is reduces backache. The plank posture helps to perfectly align the vertebrae, small bones, in the backbone. This can help alleviate back pain and even delay the onset of or prevent back pain in old age. Moreover, since this pose strengthens your abdominal muscles, it will help support the weight of your body when walking upright. This will further help to prevent back pain. Number 6 is improves metabolism. This pose helps to build abdominal muscles and in many cases even boosts the development of muscles in other parts of the body due to added core strength. With more muscle mass, you will burn more calories and this will regulate a healthy appetite. Therefore, the plank pose, if practiced daily, can help. There are many variations of this all-around exercise and each of them provides a unique set of benefits for your body. Number 1 is front, side, and reverse planks. The front plank is a rather simple form of this exercise and promotes strengthening of the upper as well. The side plank, on the other hand, helps to strengthen the oblique abdominal muscles. This can be beneficial in reducing fat on your waist. However, a reverse plank is a slightly uncommon variation of this popular exercise pose. It is, as the name suggests, a reverse of the original position and helps to strengthen your hip muscles, glutes, and inner thigh muscles, hamstrings. Number 2 is the 2-minute plank test. This is the traditional posture of the plank, but the difference is that you will need to hold this posture for 2 whole minutes. For people who regularly work out, this may not seem very significant, but for beginners, these 2 minutes could seem quite challenging. This type of plank exercise is great for testing muscle endurance. Number 3 is arm or leg lift planks. These are considered the next level in plank exercises as it puts immense pressure on your core muscles, making them even stronger. You will need to lie down in the original plank position and raise either one hand or one. You can alternate between the two for an intense workout. You can also combine this with a side plank and achieve a combination of benefits. Number 4 is side plank crunch. This is one of the most challenging and fruitful variations of the planks that are usually recommended for seasoned gym-goers. However, with careful and steady practice, you can achieve this at home as well. All you need to do is lie down in a side plank position and push your leg into your body as you do. This exercise not only works the core abdominal muscles but also helps strengthen the hip joints. Number 5 is resistance plank. The plank can also be performed using resistance bands as well. This is an advanced level of plank exercises that you can do if you think you have mastered the basic variations. You can tie a resistance band around your wrists and ankles and slowly push out against it while in the original plank position. This added strain to your muscles and joints will help them become stronger.